do I feel happy in life? Let's see.
Hey guys, it's Araceli here, and I am taking snitchery's advice and trying a goth inspired look. So I'm starting off with, my typical foundation. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I use this all the time, and it's really light coverage, and it leaves a nice finish, and it's not, cakey or anything. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer stick. It is super cheap. I got it on sale, so it was like $2, and it works pretty well for a concealer. I don't typically use concealer, but since it was so cheap, I just decided to buy it, and yeah, now I've been using concealer. Now I'm setting my face with some CoverGirl setting powder, and I typically don't set my face often, only if I was going to like a party or something, which obviously I haven't been doing, but I feel like for that goth look you need to have like a really matte finish. So next I am using some bronzer as a blush, as snitchery recommended. Then I'm just bronzing my face as usual, and I know that's not really a goth look, but it's what I've always done, so just continuing that. Now for eyebrows, I'm using an almost black eyeshadow to outline the bottom of my brow going up to the top of my brow, leaving the very front top area kind of blank. And that's going to give you like a bitchy look. Now snitchery never said that or anything, but that's just what I'm going with. And it's a really hot look, so why not? Before I get started on the eyeshadow, I'm just using my concealer stick as a primer. I find that works better than an actual primer because it's cheaper and it basically works the same. And then I'm going in with a nude eyeshadow and setting it. And yes, sometimes I use my finger for applying eyeshadow because I find that it deposits the color better and it's easier to work with than a brush. And now for the fun part. I am applying the black eyeshadow, which I've never worked with before, at least not that I remember, and oh boy is it pigmented. So I'm keeping that black eyeshadow towards the bottom half of my eyelid, and later on we are going to blend it with brown eyeshadow. The brown eyeshadow makes this look more casual, I guess. It makes the black eyeshadow not so harsh, and it becomes more of a mellow look. This next portion was pretty painful for me because I kept jabbing myself in the eye with my brush, but basically I took a very small eyeshadow brush and took that same black eyeshadow and tried to outline the under eye, I guess. Anyways, this is a very dangerous task, oh my god. But remember ladies, beauty is pain. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeliner pencil and trying to wing out the eye look, and basically the eyeliner will just blend into the black, but rather than having that rounded look, I wanted to go for my typical wing type thing. For final touches for the eyes, I'm just adding a pop of shimmer into my eyelids with basically a highlighter looking eyeshadow, and then off camera I did my eyelashes with my typical Kush mascara. And it was at this moment that I realized I'd be looking like Effie from Skins. Oh my god. However, she never wore a red lip, But basically, for this red lip, I have this e.l.f. lipstick thing, and one side's a lighter shade and one side's a darker shade. So my inner lips are the lighter shade, and then I'm outlining the outer areas with the darker shade. Using black eyeshadow, I'm outlining the very corners of both sides of my lips, just to give it that darker effect and that more goth look. And voila! We are now the bride of Chucky. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was so much fun doing this look and going out of my comfort zone. And you know what? I really like it. So I think I might be wearing this more. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.